Okay, so guys, again, this is Creative Designs with Clementine, and I am building planters for my sister. She asked me to build her some planters because she said it's very expensive, and she will end up paying me almost the same amount in those big industrial store, because I went to get some wood and lumber for this design and it's just as expensive as anything, and so she's gonna be paying me $250 to build this. Anyways, I'm building her a planter, and I was contemplating whether I should put this on my channel or not, because it's a little bit outside my range, but it's the same thing. It's just that it's outside, but it's the same planter and the same home decor. So what I'm doing, I'm measuring the side of this planter, and I've already cut up the front and back, and this is the size for the front and about the same size for the back. And so I'm measuring the size, and I will be cutting that. I'll be cutting that on my saw right there. I'm in my garage right there. I will be cutting that. So safety glasses first. And there we go. Okay, so yeah, you can see I'm applying Gorilla wood glue to the strip of this planter. And yeah, you can see I'm using nail. I think it was 2 or 3 inches nail to nail this planter, and I don't have nail gun. I checked that out at Lowe's and it's almost 800 or over 800, but I'm going to be buying my nail gun very soon. I have to learn to use it, but that's one thing I'm going to be buying. So I don't have nail gun, and so I'm using this hammer to nail this in. And you will see further in this clip, it was a little bit difficult, but I got it done. You can still use hammer, but I'm gonna be getting my nail gun very soon. Okay, so here are the four sides of this planter, and you can see those smaller ones with the line going vertical is the two pieces that will go on the side, and the ones with the lines going horizontal are the two pieces that will be in the front and the back. And you can also see that I built a little scaffold because I was working alone and I had nobody to hold this, and because I'm kneeling with hammer, it's a little bit difficult. So I just got some pieces of wood that I had laying around and just built that scaffold to help hold this side piece up, so I will be able to nail it and or attach it to the front piece. So guys, yeah, this is where you can see it was a little bit difficult in attaching this piece to this planter. And from looking at the clip, you can see that you would think that my fingers are closer to where I'm knitting, but my fingers were a few inches further away. So I was very careful not to hit my fingers with a hammer. And if you're doing this and you're going to be nailing this way, just keep that in mind and make sure your fingers are further away from where you will be hitting the nail so you don't hit your fingers. So guys, here are the three planters box I built for my sister. She wants them painted. I've already sanded them down, and I use wool filler in where I have a little bit of space to fill those spaces up, but all in all they came out really good. Now I'm going to start painting them. So these are the three planters box I built for her. Okay guys, I'm done with the planters, and here I did all three that I did for my sister. All three I'm done. Those are the three planters I did for her.